How to fix auto lock grayed out on iPhone. If you're having auto lock grayed out issue on your iPhone, then to solve it, this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, you have to launch settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down there, you will see battery, go through it and toggle off low power mode option. Once you do that, go back to the settings home page. There you will see display and brightness option. Go through there. There you will see auto lock option. Set it to never. Once you set that, your issue will be solved. If your issue is not solved, then go through the general option available there. Once you go to the general option, you have to scroll down to the last. There you will see transfer or reset iPhone option available. You just have to hit on that and do reset all settings of your device. Once you follow all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.